Hello YouTubers, welcome again to Piano Lessons with Godfrey. So in today's lesson we'll be looking at kuligugu by Joyous Celebration. So we will not play all the song, but we will play only the introduction. So let's get started. So the song is played in the key of A flat. So let me play the intro. Our first chord is A flat major. It's A flat on the left hand, A flat, E flat, and A flat over an A flat major, C, E flat, and A flat. So there's this walk up. So it's number 1, number 2, and back to number 1 in second version. The one next chord is on my left hand I have B flat, F sharp, and B flat over C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. Our third chord on my left hand it's C, A flat, and B flat. On the right hand it's C, E flat, and A flat. Our fourth chord on my left hand is C sharp and A flat. On my right hand, C sharp and F. The next chord is C on the left hand, G and B flat. On the right hand, it's E flat and G. The next chord on the left hand, it's B flat, F, and A flat. On the right hand, it's C sharp and F. So, okay, let me start fresh. Yes. So the next chord on my left hand I have E over C sharp, E flat, and A flat. Yes. And the next chord is E flat on the left hand over an A flat major, C, C, E flat, and A flat. So our next chord is E flat on the left hand, and on the right hand is B flat, E flat, and G. The next chord on the left hand is F. On the right hand is A flat, C sharp, and F. So the next chord is G, and on the right hand is B flat, E flat, and G, and the last chord is A flat major. So let me play it from the start.